Get acquainted with the 2024 Lincoln Corsair. Follow your heart's desire in this sleek, bold Corsair. Wrap yourself in the luxury of its premium interior, feel the security of its driver assist safety tech, and enjoy the capability and convenience of this can-do SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, 4-cylinder engine, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, power passenger seat. There's never been a better time to indulge in the luxury you deserve. Get behind the wheel of this impressive Corsair. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.